everybody, thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. It's time for another bloom blowout on glass. These are the frames that I use from Michaels. This one is a silver one. It doesn't necessarily mean that I am going to put this in a silver frame. When I'm done, I kind of coordinate the colors with the frame, and it's been working out great. This is an 11 by 14. I just take the back off. I'm gonna set this aside and show you. I then take the piece of glass out and I put some tape on the back and I go ahead and stick it on to my spinner. This spinner is amazing. These are the mini spinners from Winterstrom. Check out her channel, check out Jessica's. She has a website where you can order these. This mini spinner I got at FAE. This is what we use in Tara's class. And the beauty at the end, we do get to purchase, anyone that wants to purchase one of the spinners, she sells these minis for 50 bucks and I love it. So we're gonna get started. I'm going to go over the colors really quick. We are gonna start with Liquitech Basics Brilliant Blue. I'll do it this way so you can see. The next color is going to be Arteza Pistachio Pearl and Sea Glass mixed, a TLP. I love the TLPs in this one. I just got Tail Feather and I cannot wait to see how this looks. So then we're gonna follow it with Tail Feather. Then we're gonna go with Amsterdam Greenish Blue. And then I just got Unicorn. Oh, it's so pretty. So I am going to be using Unicorn, TLP Unicorn. Then the next one is going to be Master's Touch Pearlized Dark Blue. And after that is going to be Waterfall. So we have 4 Piggies in this one. We've got Sea Glass, Tail Feather, Unicorn, and Waterfall. And I am going to be, you know what? I forgot one color, I believe. Let me grab it. Okay, so sorry. Yes, I am going to use Amsterdam Pearl Blue in this as well. Sorry about that. I had all my colors set and didn't realize I didn't have, it's a lot of colors. But I didn't realize I didn't have it all together. Okay, I want to set these aside so that we don't get any paint when I spin and move them. I just wanted to really show you, it's you got to experiment with color palettes. So I figured since I already did it for you, I would show you the color. Okay, so we're going to be using Color to Go White today. I'm going to use the rest of this one and I'm going to have to open another one. I'm so fortunate. I have Sherwin-Williams a mile, if that, from my house, so it works out pretty good. Okay, let's set this aside. Open up a new one. Here we go. Okay. I'm going to try not on this glass to put a big pillow. However, you do have to have enough paint on here. The thing that I found about the glass is it starts drying very quickly. And you could seal the glass. I haven't done that, but I'm sure you could first, but it's worked beautifully not, so why make extra work and extra product? I think if you were experimenting with colors, you might want to seal it because it may dry too quick. Okay, and remember, be very careful. It is glass, it's sharp. Okay, now I am going to start laying down the colors, and we're going to start. I love that Brilliant Blue. So we're going to start with the Brilliant Blue. I am using a white cell activator today, and it's going to be 3 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. Okay, let's put the brilliant blue down. And I'm gonna start in the center this time and do 1 in the center and then 1 on each outside. I want to kind of stay, I think, the sea glass and pearl, green pearl from Arteza. I've never used, I don't know if I've used Arteza in a bloom yet. So this will be fun. And we've got that iridescent, this beautiful pearl blue. See how it dries. Okay. And after that, I'm going to go with my tail feather. This is actually the first time using it. So I'm excited to see that color shift in there, what it does. And after the tail feather, I'm going to come back with unicorn. I love this color shift. Pigments, I think they're my favorite. Okay. And I think I'm going to go back with, this is some of this pearl blue. This thickens up. This is from Hobby Lobby, these pearls. And I love using them, but they thicken up very quickly when I'm doing these blooms. And you always have to add something. And I don't want to add too much so that I get wonky kind of cells. All right, I think that's enough. Then we're gonna do Waterfall, Karen's color. I had to get it after I watched so many of her videos. Beautiful blue too. Whew, I love it. Okay, I think I'll go back. Yeah, 1 more, this one. We'll end with this. All right, and let's go ahead and put our cell activator down. I do want to pop a bubble. There we go. Okay. Put a little more. Okay, hopefully that's good. I already see the halo starting. I'm going to use my good trusty blow dryer. Let it set a minute here. Ooh, I like it. Okay, let's get puffy. Oh, that waterfall, you can see that. Okay. And I will go ahead and put some music on. I am actually going to do the same pattern, same colors that I did. I'm not going to switch up, I don't think. Okay, we are really doing more of a deconstructed bloom. I am really tilting, and trying to get the right composition before I spin, but I'm really pleased with these colors. We're spinning it out, and I'm not happy with the white in the center. So where you place your blooms, how much pillow, all of that plays a huge factor in how your composition will end up. So it was beautiful, and then it dried with some imperfections, and I can't wait to show you how I fixed that and then putting the resin on it. It is just beautiful. I absolutely love it. So let's get ready to let this dry, and I will show you the results here soon. See you there. Hi everybody. Okay, how are you? This is now dried, and I was so disappointed. I used just Valspar in this one, and it started to crack in these areas, and it's so beautiful. And you see a little too much stretching here, but with it being like a wave or beach theme, I'm okay with it. So I got these really cool markers. It's just an acrylic paint marker, and I got this on Amazon, and I've went through, it's got a thick tip and a thin, and I'm just going through and creating some lines, and where it split, just making sure that I get all of it so it doesn't look so stretched. And I'm just going through and outlining where I want there to be more definition. And as I just go through, I'm ended up loving the way that it looks. In some of these areas, you can just color in. And because there is the separation and a little bit of stretching on this glass, I am going to have my husband silicone it for me. So we put it back in the frame. And I just take a look at it. Beautiful. Hope you can see. And he is going to, actually, I just see there's one down. Couldn't figure out. There we go. Gorgeous. He is going to silicone this for me, and because there is this area that I'm not crazy about, I'm going to resin it. So I'm going to have it siliconed. Let's go ahead and have him get that set up. I'm going to resin it, and then I'll be back with the final results. I will see you there. Okay, so he's put the silicone on, and now I'm getting ready to put the resin, but I had to show you this. Oh my goodness, these piggies are going to the market, and I think they will sell right away. This is beautiful. I don't even know if I want to sell this one. I am in love. I am a blue fan, teal fan, and the colors in this, the unicorn, tail feather, those two colors together, I just love it in this application. I apologize for the lighting. Where I resin, I have a different light so that it will show me every little hair, fluff, flaw, and especially with coasters, those, you know, how the corners, you're missing resin. This actual light, my husband has placed in the ceiling, and he's put it's like a cover over it, white light material. It's actually material for lighting, and I cannot tell you, it's made such a difference with my resin projects. I see every little flaw. So the only difference is it's a different color light, and it does make the painting look a little bit different when it's under this light. So we are going to just bring this over to the corners. We're going to cover it, and I cannot wait to show you the finished results. This is a beauty for sure. Okay, we are getting ready to see the final results. Look at these dried results. You cannot even see that paint marker. This is absolutely beautiful in real life. I hope you enjoy these blowout on glass frames. I'm having a ball doing them. I cannot wait to show you the next one that I have completed. So, take care, everyone. Until next time.